How to fix Snapchat common problems. Hello guys, first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do next, scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it, and now click on this option to stop the app, and then go to the data usage right here. Make sure to enable all the options right here and disable only the roaming data like this, and then go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable airplane mode for 7 seconds and disable it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.